Hello guys, welcome to our channel. As you know, in our channel we publish or we upload the video about different kind of problem of grammar and different kind of vocabulary. um, as always, we are uh, um, we are come here today also, and you can see in the screen. Today we're gonna talk about tense. Some of you already know about tense, but some of you doesn't know. That's why I'm here to clarify um, your problem. I'm going to directly in the topic. That's why, imagine you have a time machine, but instead of traveling through time, you are navigating or you are going through language. That's what exactly what tense do. Tense means all about time, and this we will go through language, not in a action. And here also, the tense is used to indicate a characteristics of the verb in sentence. It tell us when something happened. When something happened means it is in past tense, is happening, or will happen. So when we use verb in sentence, we choose the right tense to show if the action is in the past, present, or future. It like putting a time level on our words. You can see in the first line, the tense is exactly, or the basically the tense is used to indicate a characteristic of the verb. We use tense in the sentence for indicate a characteristic of the verb. And also, it tell us when something happened, or is happening, or will happen. We have a three time level: something happened, already happened, or something is happening. This is one time level. Something happened one time, another time level, and will happen is another time level. That's why we have three times level in tense. So when we use verb in sentence, we choose the right tense to show if the action is in the past, present, or future. It means when we use verb in sentence, we choose the right tense. Means when we use verb, we have to choose the right tense or the right time to show if the action is in past or future, or past, present, or future. It like uh, putting a table level on our words. mm, Here is a three time level. You can see in the screen. There is one is past, which is already gone. It is a past. And you can, I'm sorry, here is a present. Here is a present. The past one time level is past, another time level is present, and another time is future. The past means the action which is already done. Means the past means the action already done, and the present means the action which is doing in present form, or the action which is doing it. And the future means the action we gonna do. The future means the action which is we gonna do. This is that's mean future tense. We have a three time level, or we have a three tense. And here is a importance of tense. Importance of tense. Tense are often considered to be the backbone and the most fundamental element of the English language. Now, it is the fundamental element of the English language. Without tense, sentence seems to be illogical. Without tense or without correct tense, the sentence seems to be the sentence to be illogical. Means if we didn't correct time level in the sentence, it will be a misunderstanding or it will be a illogical. Tense help you describe action that take place at different times. Tense help you tense will help you describe action that take place at different times. You in the different kind of sentence, you are using different time level. That's why tense, the correct use of tense is most essential for correct sentence. It helps to give clarity to your context and the information you are trying to describe. Means it will help to give a clarity to your context and the information you are trying to describe. Means um, the tense help to or the tense help to give clarify to your context what's the time level what's the time level you are giving in the sentence or you are trying to describe. And here is the most important factor also, types of tense. There are three main tenses. I already uh, talk about this. There are three time level in the tense. They are each further classified into four different forms. It is means there are three main tenses and they are each further classified into four different forms. It's mean there are three main tenses. Means there are three time level in the tense. You can see here present tense, past tense, future tense, and I already described about these three tenses also. Present tense means the action which we already done. Sorry, present tense means the action we are which we are doing, and the uh, time level. Past tense is the action we are already done. Future tense means the action which we will do, and present tense means the uh, time action we are doing right now. There are three main tenses and they are each further classified into four different forms. Means the present tense will classify in four forms, and also the past tense also uh, mm, classify in four different forms, and the future all as well. Present tense, we will show you these four forms in another slide. We sum up to 12 tense in total. Means these the four forms in the present tense, the four forms in the past tense, the four forms in future tense. They will gathering also, or they will sum up to 12 tense in total. The 12 forms are, here is a present in the first present time level. We have four forms of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and as well as the past also have four forms, like a simple past tense, in the second past continuous tense, and in the third line there is a past perfect tense, and also in the fourth we had a past perfect continuous tense. And I want to go in the future tense also. And you can see in the future also, there is in a first line simple future tense, and in the second line future continuous tense, in the third line future perfect tense, and in the fourth line future perfect continuous tense. You all have to remember these all forms. In the present tense we had four forms, in the past tense also we have four forms, and in the future tense we have four forms. And also all the four forms had different types of importance, and there is a different use case of all the 12 forms. That's why you essentially you have to you have you should have to remember these all 12 forms. And the use case of these 12 forms we will gonna talk about in the second video. Please follow up our channel, and that's why we will gonna talk about this all 12 forms in the second video. How to use simple present tense in the present tense, how to use past continuous tense in the past, and how to use future continuous tense in the future. That's why you have to follow up our video. We will gonna talk about all this in the coming video. For today I think uh, it's it's good for you. Yes, thank you.